In this video, I want to talk about how you can reset the chart on TradingView. Now this is pretty simple, guys. You want to open up any chart, so just head over to the super charts. Once you found the chart, if you want to reset it, so let me just quickly make it really big. Right click on it and press reset chart view. This is going to reset the view completely, or you can hold down the Alt button and press R, as you can see. And if you have a lot of indicators and stuff and you want to reset those, you can come up here and you can press hide, or you can right click and press remove indicator. So if you have 10 indicators, it's going to say remove 10 indicators, and you can do it that way. In that way, it will be completely like the default one. You can also go into the settings here, and if you have some weird ones, what you can do is you can click here and press apply defaults, and this is going to make everything the default color and the default settings. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.